going on, guys? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, hey, I am here in San Diego, California, and I am doing a project with a whole bunch of other contractors and aspiring CACs and master CACs. Carl Petit's over here. We're getting ready to go today, but we are doing a project for Sara Bendrick's parents. A lot of you might know Sara Bendrick from the DIY Network, from I Hate My Yard, and some other shows that were on the DIY Network. So this is what we are doing. We are doing a project in her parents' front yard right behind me. I believe we've got an 8x11 or 10x15 going in right here in this area. As you guys can see, we have the excavator we brought yesterday. We've got some, I'll put those logs to good use. We got some plants to take out, things like that. But this is the general area in which we are going to be working. Stay tuned. Hope you like the show.
And I think that's the perfect introduction. Everybody, let's start the Aquascape way. Everyone's got phones in their hands, so let's just do this. Everybody, this is Sara Bendrick. Lawn and Order. And what else? Why don't you give us a little introduction, because we only met, we only met in person about 3 weeks ago, right?
I know, which is crazy. Yeah, and then he's like, let's build a pond. I'm like, okay. So my background is landscape architecture. I have my contractor's license, C27, and I design build out here in San Diego. I also dabble in media. I'm super pumped to have you guys here.
So what kind of shows have you had on HGTV?
Shows, yeah. So I did a show called Build It Like Bendrick. I did a show called I Hate My Yard, and then also one called Lawn and Order that I co-hosted.
Yes, I remember you from I Hate My Yard, but I didn't really know you. And then Franco, all the way from Philly over here, said you gotta meet Sara. And I said okay. And then you were up filming for Ace a couple weeks ago in Chicago. She came by. She stayed a night at Aqualand.
I did. It was actually really cool. I was like, it was like an office that has a room.
Yep. Yeah, sleeping rooms at the office.
But the hot tub was amazing.
So we're definitely going to put something in the front yard today for your mom and dad, right?
Yes.
But you're kind of open. But
Okay.
I was thinking of Pineless Waterfall, but you said they really want to fish.
Yeah, well, I want it to be like an interactive space for kids and like the neighborhood to walk by and really
I love
see.
it. I'm not the Pineless Waterfall guy. I'm the pond guy. So anytime I could do this. But what were you thinking? And then we'll figure out what we're actually going to do.
You want me to walk around and show
Yeah.
you? Okay. So I kind of want to keep this as open play space. And again, the theme is natural play for my nieces and nephews and whatever neighborhood kids. I want to do an adult entertaining area, which would be a patio space with flagstone dry set. I have this fire pit that I had custom made that would sit in the middle of that fire pit, and then the water feature, well, first of all, I have these blocks made out of rocks, so there's these rock benches that I want to put here.
Outside of the patio.
Yeah, outside the patio, and then the water feature would start from this side, kind of swing in front of the flagstone patio, and enter into this area over here, which would be the pond.
Okay, so the pond's over here. All right.
This is like the creek to the pond, right? And then I need a little bridge or something.
Okay.
Does that work?
Well, anything can work. Anything can work, but you know what we love to do is just kind of freeform things too.
Okay.
And so can we get the pond? I mean, so could you put the kids' play area over here and make the pond go this way a little bit, so that every time they're pulling in, the waterfalls is facing the
Truck parking area and project area.
Oh, you park there?
All the time.
Oh, so you actually park on the mulch.
Well, you know.
So you're not gonna have any kids there when you're parking.
Well, I know I don't park there a lot, but like because I do a lot of projects, I like to have an open space.
So these are the things that we need to understand.
And that's like easy access.
Okay, so you
I'm
want
not opposed. I could be convinced, but as of now, like I like parking there and washing
Don't
my
let them boss you
car.
around.
Well, the only thing that I was thinking is you need a sitting area. You got the sitting area up here, and I was thinking, oh, you can double the sitting area if you had it on the.
Oh, by making this bigger.
No, by making people could sit on the actual driveway, you know, as well with chairs and stuff.
Oh, I see.
So since the waterfalls is going away from the patio area,
Got
it'd be
it.
nice to have chairs around there. But
I see.
But I didn't know about the parking, you know.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Okay, so we'll keep going this way. We'll keep going this direction. That's okay.
Wave, trainees! Wave! Everybody wave! Yeah!
After this is a virgin area, we're going to physically lay it out, make sure mom and dad approve of it, and we're going to get started with the Build a Pond Day.
Joe, super sack.
anything, and we have a lot of certified operators.
Joe, move! Joe, move! Oh, there it goes. Yeah! And that's how you get your training, by experience. So, ladies and gentlemen, when we are using super sacks, you gotta make sure that we tie the bottom up. Otherwise, anything like this that you put in a bag is just gonna come out the bottom when you try to pick it up. Experience is the best teacher. As you guys can kind of see behind me, we're kind of doing a test hole. Kurt, move! We're doing a test hole right here, trying to figure out where the sewer is. We got the sewer line right here. Our main water line is actually right there, and it looks like it goes into the house somewhere in that area. And I've been told that this whole house is actually ran off a 3/4 inch line, which blows my mind. But we're doing a test dig right here by hand. Yeah! And we're gonna see exactly where this is, because this is actually gonna determine exactly where we're gonna put the pond. We had it kind of planned out a little bit differently, but you know.
I called the dig number. The pond on me.
So we're gonna go ahead and find out exactly where we need to put this, so that way we're not hitting sewer, water, or anything like that. So stay tuned and we'll get you some more stuff. Well, as you guys can see behind me, we put a whole bunch of mulch and rock right back here, and then we realized that the sewer discharge is actually right here, so we didn't want to build a pond on top of the sewer, so we actually had to move it, and now we got to move all of that right there to a different location so we can actually start digging the pond. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now, and we actually haven't even started digging the waterfall. Over here we got Chad Morrill. He is actually teaching all the new guys how to put in a biofalls and hook everything up, and they're getting that done. So while we're doing things for the pond, he's actually on the opposite end, and we're actually kind of working towards the center there. So lots of work to do. We're doing great. Everybody's having fun, I think, and we're getting this thing done.
This is crazy. That's crazy.
Nuts.
Crazy.
We are crazy. It's what we do. It's what we do. Hey, Bill, get out of my video. I'm trying to make a video here. Chris Reacts here, Aquascapes, Michiana. We are digging the pond. We actually got it signed off by Sara, my buddy Bill Seeds. If you guys need anything in the Oakland area, this is definitely the guy to go to. What is
Oregon. Portland, Oregon, bro.
Portland, oh. I thought you were in Oakland.
Oakland.
Oh my God. Well, hey,
like
editor, edit that out.
Kidding, I was
Portland, Oregon.
Nothing wrong with Oakland. Go Raiders.
Sorry, Bill! Oakland, Oregon. If you guys need anything from Oakland, Oregon, get at my boy Bill here, all right? So, as you can see, we got the wonderful Carl Petit, man in the captain's chair. We found it! We found it! Man, this looks like a lot like the soil that I'm digging in right now in Middlebury, Indiana. This is absolutely weird. We got a whole bunch, we got our stream placement set already. We're coming in over here. We got our pond placement. I'm about to go over there where Sarah's at. I'm gonna start cutting the liner, getting all that done. We got guys working, we got guys standing around, we got guys leaning on shovels, we got people talking, we got guys in wheelbarrows, we got guys in the captain's chairs, we got the man right here, Joe Cisneros, on the laser level. And we are getting it done, ladies and gentlemen. Getting it done. Hey guys, so we have a little initiation here in the CAC tribe. Before you are fully recognized as a pond builder, you've got to eat your first grub, and we got our next guy right here. Oh, yeah! Oh, oh Godzilla! guys, Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Get ready to love your backyard. Building your dreams one boulder at a time. And we are here building a water feature. And we actually have an entourage watching us in their lawn chairs. Say hey guys! Say hey everybody! So we actually have people right here who are watching it now. I'll show you guys straight in front of me. This is exactly what the job site looks like right here. And then right across from the job site, we've got people just hanging out from the neighborhood watching us. Somebody in a neighborhood getting a water feature isn't necessarily for the person getting a water feature. It is actually something that brings a community together. And as you guys can see here, we're putting it in her front yard for a reason. So that way, not only do they get to enjoy it as the homeowners, but the whole community gets to enjoy it. So that's what we're doing today, guys. Building dreams one boulder at a time. See ya. Oh, you need a machine. Machine takes the grip. And now, yep. Right behind you. It's cool, I sit right here. No problem.
This is going to be a unique work of art, one of a kind, custom creation, and this is definitely a unique design with these stones. But you know, we came in, we didn't even start digging until 9:30 in the morning, and it's not even 5 o'clock yet. We've been hanging out, it hasn't been a hard day at all, and we're about to make the neighborhood jealous. Yes.
No, the neighborhood is going to enjoy it.
That's right. Like it. Come on, plug it in. That's your first date.
Greg, turn it up to 10. That is a good waterfall.
Yeah,